The A55 marks a departure from its predecessors, featuring an aluminum frame with a brushed metallic finish and a glass front and back. The design mirrors Samsung's flagship phones with a flat 6.6-inch OLED screen and cameras integrated seamlessly into the back. While the bezels surrounding the screen are thicker compared to some competitors, they remain relatively thin in the grand scheme. The panel offers a maximum brightness of 1000 nits and smooth animations, although it lacks the flexibility of higher-end panels with LTPO technology. Powering the phone is Samsung's new Exynos 1480 mid-range SoC, built on Fortin architecture with 5G support. Performance is adequate for everyday tasks. The device boasts a sizable 5000 mAh battery, but disappoints with a maximum charging speed of 25 watt. Other features like the in-display fingerprint scanner and stereo speakers are satisfactory, though the haptics are criticized for being weak and mushy, a common trait in Samsung's mid-range offerings. The Galaxy A55 impresses with its sturdy build quality and brushed aluminum frame, adding visual appeal. The slight bump on the right side, housing the volume rocker and power button, adds character to the design. Weighing 213 grams and sporting a 6.6-inch screen, the A55 feels comfortable to hold. Screen sizes above 6 inches are now the norm, with 6.4 to 6.6 inches being ideal for many users. The A55 runs on typical One UI software, offering customization and multitasking features like split screen and floating window mode. A notable addition to the series is Samsung Knox Vault, a hardware security chip for storing sensitive data. This feature, standard in flagship phones, is now available in the A55 and upcoming A35. Despite its advertised triple-lens rear camera system, the A55 actually features a dual-lens setup, with the third lens being a 5-megapixel macro sensor deemed unnecessary. The main 50-megapixel shooter and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens deliver solid performance, with Samsung's processing ensuring good HDR and image quality. Should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A55? You should buy the Galaxy A55 if you desire a premium-looking Samsung phone at a more affordable price compared to the flagship Galaxy S series. You seek a mid-range phone from a reputable brand offering Knox Vault security. You should not buy the Galaxy A55 if you prioritize getting the best specifications for your budget. You require a telephoto lens on your phone. While I've been critical of Samsung's mid-range offerings in the past, the A55 represents a significant improvement. It features a premium build without compromising on essential features like the main camera's photo quality. Although there are still some compromises, such as the use of UFS 3.1 storage and unnecessary third macro camera, these are unlikely to bother casual users. Overall, the Galaxy A55 offers a great look and satisfactory performance, making it a worthy successor to previous Galaxy F phones. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.